everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Danino Midiata. I'm from student nursing Pekalongan University. Today, I will show you a video about transferring a patient from bed to wheelchair. Good morning, sir. I'm Dani. I'm nursing in this hospital. I'm here to help you move from the bed to the wheelchair. Are you willing?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Step 1. First, I wash my hand using 6 steps. Second, I put on gloves. Third, I lock the bed and the wheelchair for the safety. Step 2, sitting up. I will help you to sit up. Excuse me, sir. Step 3, now I will help you to stand up. Please lower both of your legs. Yeah, like this. Now I will put my hands on your waist and your hand please put on my shoulders. Excuse me, sir. On the count of 3, you'll stand up. 1, 2, 3, stand up. Now we will walk to the wheelchair slowly. Okay, like this. Stop in front of the wheelchair. You can sit down slowly on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Sit down, sir. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah. Excuse me, sir. Okay. How do you feel? Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. If not, I will return to the nurse station. If you need help, please press the call button beside the bed. Thank you, sir.